What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Oh my god, my lighting is horrible. Post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a bunch of unboxing. Not even really unboxing. I'm going to show you guys everything, and I'm just going to make one long ass video and just clip it so you might see like the same thumbnail or like the same introduction. So today we got a bunch of parts from my VQ parts shop, which I'll link down below, and you guys can go find their Instagram, and I'll link like the website and everything like that. But the first thing we got is clear taillights, and all of this is going on my G35 because I am going to be drifting the car. Clear taillights that's going on my G35. Like I said, it's going to be a drift build, and I plan on throwing my I'm not gonna show you, I'm not gonna tell you guys. I plan on wrapping the car with something else, so then you guys will see it. But we have this to start with. Back to my video. I guess their roof is leaking now, just like mine was leaking, but we got it fixed. Anyways, let me finish show you guys all the parts. A new grill for my bumper that I desperately needed. I am missing two things that they sent me, and I don't know what it is, but it kept getting mixed up and being like sent to my neighbors, and then like I don't know when it comes, so I don't get the item for like a month. Anyways, then we have an emblem, and then we have the side pillars that go on the side of the door, and then we have a wing. So these are all the parts we have today. I want to try and make a video for each thing because I feel like I'm locked in YouTube and I need to kind of like push it out. The first thing that we're going to start with is changing out my tail lights. So that'll be the first video along with everything that I'm going to be installing on the car. So we're going to do that. I am going to take them off. It shouldn't be too complicated. You guys see obviously what it looks like now, and I feel like it'll just be cuter with the clear tails. I have clear tail lights on my 240. It's messy right now, otherwise I would show you guys. So let me flip. Okay, so here is the before. Not cute. I'll show you guys. It's messy in here, but here's my motorcycle. This is my 240. Literally, as you can tell, it's becoming like a storage unit. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. This is the taillights on my 240, the clear, and I think it looks way cute. My G35, it's gonna look so freaking cute. So I'm pretty sure it's just like a few bolts. I'm probably gonna have to get, oh, I forgot I had chain. This, yeah. I forgot I changed this trunk when we had first got the car because the trunk ran down and raggedy and broken. It'd be pretty easy to change all this out, so I might throw you guys on a time lapse and then show you guys how to do it. I do also have to make a reel, so if you aren't following me on Facebook, if you aren't following me on Instagram, go follow me there. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this side. I do have it recording. Guess I'll do like a little ASMR. So here is the clear tail light that we're going to be installing. Let me try and get me a thumbnail. Okay, clickbait. Anyways, don't really care, because once we move this one, then I'll move to the tops once I'm done with the bottoms. I'll show you guys if you don't know how to remove them, but honestly, I literally teach myself. It's like I look what I need to remove and then I just go from there. So on here, looks like you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 bolts. They're probably like between an 8 and a 10, I'm assuming. This is connected, and I think it's something with the lights. This is easy to remove. You just find which way you twist it. So I already got the bulb out. That's the light bulb already out. Now I just need to remove the clip, which I did see on like the in the, what's it called? The Q50, their clips were so easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those. It took me a minute to figure this out because the thing that like sucks is I have a bunch of tools, but I lost all like my ratchets and stuff. But I just found this like extension. So hopefully they fit on it to where it will fit. Well, I know it fits with this, so let's figure out which size these bolts are together. So, okay, so it's not a 9. I have a 7, so I hope it's a 7 because I'm not. Bruh. So it's definitely a freaking stupid 8. I have to go find it. Okay, thank God. I was getting over it. Bolt loose. For some reason, one of them was a little stuck, but I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew them completely so I don't lose them, and I put everything on how they came off. So you have 3 bolts that are gonna be taken off from your tail light. You have your light bulb that is connected, and then all your wiring that's connected. And I hope mine's not complicated because the previous owner did connect the strobe lights. So one in so far, and it's gonna look freaking awesome. Now I'm gonna get the other one, and since I already recorded like showing you guys how to install it and everything, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do it off camera, and then I'll have the main tail lights installed. Now we're just gonna move on to these like little pieces, and as you can tell, again, 3 bolts, so it should honestly be the same size. I upgraded to an impact, I'm not gonna lie. When I was taking off the other one, I don't know, it just kind of made more sense and was like really just like easier, so I like that. I'm gonna do this one while I'm at it too. Damn, that was so hard to take off, Loki. Ooh. Oh, I gotta sold those, bruh. Damn. That sucks. Okay, look, I just broke that. Oh, I was gonna plan to sell them too. Okay, getting cold, so we're gonna see the difference now. My camera's gonna die anyways. Ta-da! Bro, I was gonna sell them, right? I could still sell these ones, but I accidentally cracked this one. But I can. People usually want these. I'm gonna sell the old one.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But I'm saying I cracked the red one that goes to here. Oh. But like people usually don't buy those. It looks like a cuter, huh?
Yeah.
It's so cold. Hi, Lamb. Okay, so as you guys can tell, this is the after, and on this, obviously it looks way better. Like, we like it way better than what it was. You can see it. It looks way freaking cuter and way nicer. So I don't know if I'm gonna move on to the next parts, but this is it for this video, and there will be more installs. Like, I literally have the parts right here, and I'm still waiting for more to come in, like I was telling you guys. So hopefully those come in soon, and the wrap that I'm gonna put on my car. Okay, as I was saying, my camera literally just died right now. So I have a few interior pieces, or not in pieces, like things I'm gonna be doing and installing, and I just remembered something else that I got in for this year. See, I ordered so much stuff, and then I forget what I have because I don't install it right away. But anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!